everyone? No. Everyone, and welcome to Teeny Tiny Trains. A game about big fucking chonker trains. This is pretty loud. Oh, that was the lowest it went. A game about big fucking chonker trains that'll like absolutely just evaporate a cow on the tracks. You know what I mean? Level 1, let's go. Still recording, right? Yeah, cool. Welcome to Teeny Tiny Trains, a small train puzzle adventure. Whilst in build mode, tap and drag across the grid to draw the tracks. Alright. Dude, go for it. Falls off the rails. Crashes. Lights the fluffy rug on fire. Burns down the house. Smash subscribe. The whole family does. Sure, let's take this to the next level. Alright, yeah, okay, I can get that one. Yo, how'd I pull it off, though? I fucked it up. That was not intentional. My brain just processed that I didn't do the rail for the red one. Oh, dude, I'm so dumb. Alright, yes, stop. Alright. Alright, let's try that again. There we go. Let's take this to the next level. What a mess. Someone left a mess in this room. You will need to clean it up. So it's just sort of slidey shit. Oh no, it's just a rubber. To remove tracks, use the rubber. Good job. Now select draw. Okay. Dude, I'm so ready. Smash it. Did they crash? Holy fuck. Tap a track segment with a flip-flop sticker to set the train direction before the train starts its journey. Each time a train passes over the flip-flop, it will flip, changing the direction for the following train. Okay, I gotcha. Fuck. Nailed it. It's gonna be easy. That was a pretty violent crash. Alright, so I got a lock. Yeah, okay, that can probably work. That'll probably work, I reckon. Yes. Whilst in building mode, press and drag from the first tile to the second and continue to adjacent tile directly. Yeah, I gotcha. Go for a tiny train. You solved it. Yeah, I did. Obstacles are areas on the board where tracks cannot be placed. Plan your route around them to keep your trains running smoothly. Alright. Alright. Okay. Dude, what the fuck? That's fine. Yes. No. Yes. I guess. I like. What is this? What am I supposed to do here, man? Bro! Oh, I know what I gotta do. Give me a second. Just delete all. And draw. Go for it. Alright, I figured it out. I'm such a smart boy. I'm so fucking smart. Uh-oh. That'll work. Sure, neato burrito. Next level. fucked up. Damn it. That's fine, I can... It's not working, what do I do? I'm scared. I know what to do. Give me a sec. Let me try that again. No, let me try that again. This will probably work, I think. Oh. Did I just take out both trains there? Holy shit. Right, that's fine. No. I've got this pretty down packed. I just have to get this one thing right. I think. No. Alright. Alright, go for it. I reckon they'll avoid each other. They're not going to avoid each other. They're not going to avoid each other. Oh my god! Oh. Bro, I'm mad stupid. What do I... don't even know what I'm fucking doing. No, don't do that. Can I? Yes. And then we'll give that a shot. Because they do somehow avoid each other. Yes. Dude. I love this game. I really like this game. Probably know what you're supposed to do. You don't know. You don't know that. Alright, let's just start again. Let's just start again. Okay. Why is there a tree in the way? Dude, what do I do, man? What happens if I just leave the tree there? Nailed it. Okay, I missed a point there. Alright, just start again from scratch. It's fine. I got this. Alright, so that's fine, probably. Yeah, take it that way. Why? No, just I want to take that one back. Alright, let's give that a shot. That's not going to work. I gotcha. Just start again. No, don't do that. This tree, man. What's with this tree? It's a puzzle, Wood. You got to figure it out. Oh gosh. Alright, just once I complete this one, the episode's over. Alright, I can't do anything. So that's the only thing I can do with that one. Why did you do that? Why? It's fine. Probably. But like, really? I don't want to do that one. Alright, that's fine. No! It's fine. Alright. Okay, it should be good now, yeah? Yes! Yo, smash subscribe for me being incredibly good at the game about the train tracks. I like this game. Go play it if you feel any sort of desire. You have my consent, you know what I mean? You don't have to have the consent of others to like enjoy something. Other people don't. You don't have to like. You know what I mean? It's like just because someone else doesn't enjoy something doesn't mean you don't have to. You can't. You know what I mean? Yeah. It took me way too long to figure that one out. So if you're struggling with that somehow, like I was, check this out. What was I saying? Video's over. Bye.